Automatic blister machine for cutting moths in group containers of 24 cells, size 20 by 20 mm, depth 15 mm. The average capacity per day is 120 kilograms. Requires at least 40% total water along with the moths for normal operation of the dispenser. Unique equipment for its purpose. As an option, packaging in blisters of thick and liquid materials. Suitable for use in pharmaceutical production and packaging of tablets and gelatin capsules. Capacity of 1500 blisters per hour. Maximum automation of all processes. Made of stainless steel according to GMPI standards. We provide detailed instructions for setting up the blistering equipment. Prior to delivery to the customer, the equipment is inspected and tested at the manufacturing facility. Complete set and working order is guaranteed. Experienced specialists Minipress help choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress. One of the most respected in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at +7 985 364 38 08. You can also send a request to email info.minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. Prices inclusive of delivery to the buyer's city. Blister machine for cutting moths into blisters RW-14. Capacity 1000-1500 blisters per hour. Cutting frequency 6 to 25 times per minute. Adjustable stroke 40 to 110 mm. Freely adjustable. Maximum blister size 20 by 110 mm. Maximum cell depth 14 mm. Main motor power 1 kW. Top heating power 0.75 kW. Lower heating power 0.75 kW. Heating power 0.75 kW. Air pump flow rate 0, 15 cubic meter minutes. Air pressure 0.4 至 0.6 megapascal. PVC thickness 0.25 mm. Tip weight 130 mm. Aluminum foil thickness 0.02 mm. Tip weight 130 mm. Dimensions 2300 mm by 560 mm by 1410 mm. Weight of the machine 700 kilograms. Weight with packaging 800 kilograms.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers. We assist in choosing and delivery of pharmaceutical equipment to Russia. Our industry experience and knowledge are vast and valuable. Our catalogs help to choose the best alternatives due to many videos, photos, and detailed descriptions. We're able both to make sets of equipment and to deliver separate units according to samples. You will also enjoy the whole range of related goods, packing, raw materials, and consumables. RomanTsibulsky will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808. Minsk phone +375 29 308 0000.
Automatic blister machine for cutting moths in group containers of 24 cells, size 20 by 20 mm, depth 15 mm. The average capacity per day is 120 kilograms.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.